shit, man.
YouTube, you know what it is. LG Edutainment, Mr. Light God himself, but you all can call me LG. I was kind of wondering, it's kind of warm out here. Boy. I was thinking, what would you do if someone gave you an old used table? I said, well, ain't got no money. Old wooden table, what could we do with it? Stain it, varnish it, sand it down. Let's do something cheap and funky, right? Stay tuned.
I figured you would have realized. That sketch is growing on me now. My sketch is growing on me now.
What up? It's another crazy episode from LG Edutainment. You know what it is, you know what I'm saying? From Light God, what it is. You can call me LG. As you see, I'm going to describe the first little part we're going to do here. We're going to create our own little version of our own little table, you know what I'm saying? You know how we do, put that Light God splash on that, you know what I'm saying? A little Light God drip, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, what we're about to do here, as you see we already got it taped off. I should have to explain this to you right here. The duct tape is gonna be real cheap, real easy. It's gonna come out real crazy, like any way you wanna drip with it. And you can do anything you wanna do with it. But I'm gonna show you what we're gonna go with it. So like I said right now, I got the duct tape already laid out. Real ghetto fabulous style, you know what I'm saying? Nothing to geometry, no rulers, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, put the little forward on here so you know that we doing this. And I'm trying to get this cut out for us real quick. Let me try to get this done for us. Ain't gotta be nothing special, my people. Just try to get it done real quick and easy. But remember, safety first. Messing with the X-Acto knife and duct tape and Sharpie. Something I guarantee you got around the crib. In the meantime, the X-Acto knife is super sharp, so you definitely don't want to cut your damn fingers off. And this shit get to the bone when it cuts you. Get down to that gristle, you know what I mean? But lay me on your ass. But for the meantime, let's get this shit done real quick. Now, with any luck, hopefully this comes off real easy. And just how we want to. Like I said, it could be more perfect, but for me, sometimes the more rough your project looks, sometimes the more fly that come out, you know what I'm saying? Got your own little special touch. You see we just weaving on around here ever so easily, effortlessly. Like I said, it's just some table we had for a cool little bit. My little young one, my little jit was like, hey, Pop, we should flip this table real quick. She's super artistic. I said, you know what? You probably right. So she's really helping with the whole project. And you're gonna see the next special little step that we putting together on this table that she's actually coming up with. And we're gonna put this whole thing, it's gonna be a little process. So you all stay tuned. I'm trying to get this first letter cut out for y'all, and that way we can hear it go on to the next steps. I hope alright y'all, we're gonna try to get this lettering off of here real smooth, like I said, nothing fancy. I hope everybody's okay out there. Been taking care of yourself over the holidays. I guess it's a holiday. We had small town weekend around here. If you catch my last video, you know what I mean? We out there crazy with the car washes, you know what I'm saying? Big money, you know what I'm saying? Like God gonna take you there. I already told you that. Like God take you there. Sing it. Sing it, Daddy.
Like God take you there.
Yeah, it is. Bam. In your face. From her mouth to your ear. Drum. Get the wax out so she can hear you. Alright, anyway. So we should try to get this done right here. Hope this come off here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Either way it go. If it don't, we gonna make it do what it do. Oh, shooty booty. Shoot the booty. You gotta help it a little bit. You gotta. Boom, 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 boom. See what I'm saying? You gotta help it off a little bit. Like I say, safety first, people. The X-Acto knife is no jokes, no game. This shit get real surgical with it. See, you already got your design already pre-cut. Look at that. Coming right off. It's like a sticker. It's like a sticker. Look at that, pre-cut. Pre-cut decal. Like I say, cheap. You can create you a whole new table from my Dollar Tree if you wanted to. I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, y'all see where we going with this. So y'all stay tuned to the next video. I almost forgot y'all was there. As y'all see where we going with this. Come over and check this out for me real quick. As y'all see, real simple. Just took a couple minutes. Safety first, like I keep saying to y'all. I don't want to hear none of y'all. Hey, yo, like God, I'm in the hospital and cut my little pinky toe, my finger. Like, what your foot doing on the fucking table in the first place? Nasty. Mama said put it in the stove, in the oven, in your food, not on that damn table to get it cut off. Nah, I'm just messing with you. But anyway, here we go. We just doing a revealing you all. Like I say, real simple. Few minutes. It's just nothing right here. Like I said, it look real ghetto fabulous at the moment. You probably like, where is he going with this right here? Y'all finna see. Y'all finna see. Like I said, don't worry about making no mistakes. Nothing like that. There is no mistakes. It's your vision, how you want your project to come out looking. Remember, we just having fun with this right here. We taking something that used to look one way and we're gonna flip it to something new. Check it out. Oh. See, I heard y'all was like, what about the R? What about the R, man? I heard y'all. Y'all ain't slick, either way it go. Like I say, we finna show you how we do with this right here. Finna reveal this. You gonna see where it's about to go. It's gonna be a couple day project. It's real late right now. So that's why I'm trying to hurry up and move fast. So I'm gonna show y'all how the whole project gonna go. Check that out. Easy. Easy, my people. I paid $1. I guess $1 now, $1.25 now. Everybody keep telling me $1 for the knife, tape. As you see, we're gonna spray paint over all this. When we peel that off, that's gonna be in a wood grain with the name. And we're gonna go right here. We're gonna do all this right here. You know what I'm saying? Just check that out though. Either way it go. We doing this. Y'all stay tuned for part 2, part 3, part 4. I don't know what part we on right now. But y'all stay tuned. Right back at it once again from L.G. Edutainment. Remember the table we was working on? This is where we at so far, you all. Added a couple extra touches to it. Out here in the backyard with the paint game, you know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna have to do little touch-ups here and there though, but you see where we going with this so far, right? Like I said, it was an old wooden table. I could have, you know what I'm saying, sanded down and revarnished and all that, but I said, nah, let's do something a little funky. Something a little spicy with it, you know what I mean? So in the meantime, that's where we at with it right now. A little spray paints, you know what I'm saying? Something real cheap. I think total for the spray paint, I might have spent about $6 or $7, you know what I'm saying? Had to, on that red, had to get some really good quality stuff. So anyway, in the meantime, I'm gonna have my little girl try to untape a few pieces of this for us real quick. Go ahead. Just be gentle with it, and we'll see what we start coming out with. This is the duct tape job we did last night. Like I said, it's a little cardboard stencil I had her draw up for us, cut out with an X-Acto knife. You know, real easy. Oh yeah, here we go with that unveiling, y'all. Yeah, come on with it, come on with it. Oh man. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing right now? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Go this way.
Are y'all seeing the unveiling? Are y'all seeing the unveiling? Try to tell y'all, real simple. It's a little duct tape. Back out here in the backyard, everybody, you know what I'm saying? That's what we doing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna hook all this up eventually too. You know, we out here in the Amazon rainforest, you know what I'm saying? But check it out. You can get this unveiling going on here at the table, like I said, you all. Real simple. It's a little duct tape, get your X-Acto knife, a little spray paint once again. I keep reminding y'all that because this is super cheap. Super cheap. And you can take anything and redo it. Like I said, I had an older table right here that was picked up, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna flip this table real quick. So that's what I did. You see where we going with this, you all? Can you see where we going with this? Can you see your guy? Can you see your guy? Can you see? Can you see? Oh man. Oh man. Like I said, a little few touch-ups here and there, everybody. But see, I didn't want it to look perfect. It takes away from the whole look of the table. See where we going with this? Do y'all see where we going with this right now? I told you, real simple, y'all. If I didn't start this project so late last night, I'd have been done with it yesterday. But you know, I was up late last night, had to do some video, and excuse how I look right now, you know what I mean? I was up doing my green pal, you know, my little lawn service. I told you, the king of the apps. DoorDash, Uber, all that. We do Spark deliveries. I'm telling you, tune into the channel, y'all. Gonna have some fun over here. We're doing all kind of crazy stuff, you all. Went to the car show the other day. You know what I'm saying? We be doing it up for y'all. Damn. As y'all see, this is just a little rough draft of it right now. I'm gonna do a few little touch-ups here and there, clean up a little chips, little spots. We're gonna have this table looking right. So you all stay tuned for the unveiling of the furniture. We're gonna finish all this up. We'll get right back to you. Y'all be cool.
Thanks for the information, but I'd like to stay here with you and die.
Well, here's the end of it, everybody. You know what I'm saying? That old funky old wooden table we had. It's like, what could we do with it? Well, I'll tell you what we did to it. We put a little drip on it. You understand what I'm saying? Didn't know what I was really gonna do. But as you see, excuse my kitchen looking a little crazy right now, but you know what I mean? I had to give you a little unveilment of all the work we put in. Like I said, real cheap, old wooden table. What would you do? You can restain it, sand it down, varnish it, whatever. Or get you a little duct tape, X-Acto knife, little spray paint, and make that thing get funky with it. You know what I'm saying? Just for y'all. Y'all be cool, YouTube. Excuse my nasty kitchen right now. It was under construction. Y'all be cool. From L.G. Entertainment, Mr. L.Y.T.E God himself. You can call me L.G. Peace.
Help me, YouTube. They said they ain't gonna feed me if I don't get 1,000,000 likes. Help me. Come on, subscribe to my channel. They ain't gonna feed me. Help me, YouTube. Help me. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification button. They ain't gonna